Hi, today I'm going to show you how to adjust the diverting arm. The first thing you need to do is locate this bolt. You need to loosen that bolt. That will allow you to slide the diverting arm all the way down to the belt. Once you're all the way down to the belt, you need to tighten that bolt back up. Once that bolt is tight and you're all the way down to the belt, you want to make sure that your arm still moves freely and doesn't bind up on the belt. And that's all there is to adjusting the diverting arm.